I'm starting my hike at Iroquois Park on a cloudy Thursday morning. There's a slight chance of rain. I just hiked up to the Corbly Trail. It's nice and cool this morning. I'm still hiking up the Corbly Trail. I'm going to end up at Sullivan Grove. I made it up to Sullivan Grove. Now I'm on my way to the North Overlook. I'm approaching the North Overlook. It's pretty foggy up here this morning. Now I'm leaving the North Overlook and I'm on my way to Summit Field. Now I'm in Summit Field. There's a little bit of fog up here. There's a northern flicker up in that tree. It's still a little dark. I found an eastern box turtle. It's in a pretty good spot. I don't think they're going to cut the grass today. They just cut it recently. It's close to the pond that's next to the rustic pavilion. There's the rustic pavilion. I'm not going to bother it. I'm going to walk past it. We got some pretty good rain last night. It's pretty muddy up here. I'm going to check out the pond that's next to the rustic pavilion. I see a frog. There's a lot of frogs around. All I see are frogs. I'm going to take off. I'm at the Monarch Way Station and Pollinator Garden. I'm not seeing any butterflies. I did see a few bumblebees flying around. I'm on Top Hill Road. It's starting to rain, so I'm going to head to my car. I got me a little persimmon snack this morning. Now I'm going to hike to my car. Look at all the white snake root. It's all over the place. The rain comes and goes. It's not raining right now. I think this is chicken of the woods, but it could be jack-o'-lantern mushrooms. It is that time of year. I'm thinking it's probably jack-o'-lantern mushroom because of this time of year, but they look a lot alike. Jack-o'-lantern mushrooms are a little more orange. I'm gonna go with jack-o'-lantern mushrooms, but like I said earlier, it could be chicken of the woods. I'm definitely not a mushroom expert. I'm hiking down this hill. Coming from way up there. I'm going to cross that gully and then hike up that hill. I just crossed the gully and now I'm on my way up this hill. I'm as high as I'm going. Now I'm going to take off in this direction. I'm finished hiking the high ground. Now I'm on my way down this hill. I'm getting close to Rundle Road. I made it down to Rundle Road and I'm pretty close to my car. It is time for this old man to go home. I see a hawk up in that tree. I think it's a red-tailed hawk. It's a little dark. Came here to feed the cat. That's when I saw that big hawk. I hope that hawk doesn't see this cat. This sure is a cute cat. I brought it ocean whitefish and tuna entree. I hope that hawk doesn't come back. It was up in the tree over there.